sa larong volleyball games.
The certification is given on the 25th day of October 2025 at St. Anthony Mary Zaccaria, Guadalupe Apitic Street, Marikina Heights, Marikina City, Philippines. Signed by a sports chairman, Seminaria Ninurin P. Balaba, and Seminary Rector, Reverend Father Kim Maria Anayon Siarisky. The certificate is presented to Seminarian Jirik Sumama.
Jerry! Sus! Masilan!
Brother Giancarlo Maria Guerrero.
Brother Carlo! One of the MVP, Mythical 6 or dito sa larong volleyball. Five, four, three, two, one.
Last but not least, for the champion Sunday players, is given to Seminarian John Paul Bahate.
Wow! John Paul Bahate. Bahate!
Congratulations! Awarded to Seminarian Ninurin P. Balaba.
Thank you for the game of volleyball. Most improved player for the volleyball game.
Best in Libero.
Libero! Joshua Pahe.
Mr. Joshua Pahe. Award.
For the Rookie of the Year.
This and recognition of the exceptional contributions, dedication, and outstanding performance during your first year. Your drive, professionalism, and potential have set a new standard for excellence. This certification is given on the 20th day of October 2025 at St. Anthony Mary Zaccaria Seminary, 103 Apitic Street, Marikina Heights, Marikina City, Philippines. The Rookie of the Year is presented to Seminarian Denzel Ryan.
Denzel!
The certificate is presented to in recognition of outstanding performance, leadership, and dedication throughout the Sport Fest 2025. Your exceptional skills and unwavering commitment have set you apart as a driving force of the team. This certification is given on the 25th day of October, year 2025 at St. Anthony Mary Zaccaria Seminary, Guadalupe Apitic Street, Marikina Heights, Marikina City, Philippines. Signed, Sports Chairman, Seminarian Ninurin Balaba, Seminary Rector, Reverend Father Kim Maria Anayon Siarisky. This certificate as a Most Valuable Player Award is given to
MVP of the Year for the volleyball game. Volleyball ang ating MVP ngayong taon. Other than Sumo!